Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. I'm your host. Today I'm going to show you a cool extension available for Chrome browser. I can say that it's going to improve your productivity and it's also make your time more efficient because you'll see what it does in a minute. So let's say that you're writing some code. Okay, I'm on Notepad, I'm writing some code. What am I writing? Let's do an HTML. What is an HTML? What is an HTML template? I want to search that. What I'll do is open up Google and type sorry, I opened two tabs. Okay, I type what is an HTML. What is an HTML template? It'll say that HTML template is an element or mechanism of holding HTML that cannot be rendered immediately when a page is loaded, but may be instantiated subsequently during the runtime using JavaScript. So it gives me some examples, and let's say I'm on Python and I want to see how we can make a how we can write an HTML template in Django. So Django is a web development framework. It's a full stack development framework in which you can also write some HTML templates, but you're just new to it and you want to see how you can do it. What will you do? Just open up Google again and type how to write an HTML in Django. So you will see some results saying Django tutorial 5, Django tutorial, Django templates, documentation from docs.django projects. Now I want to say that it'll take some time. You agree with this, I agree with this. Now let's see. Go to here, you'll have to read some pages, you have to scroll down, and finally you get your results. And this is also not the exact result. Now, what if I say to you that you don't have to do this? Just after a click, you can get the answer without any pages to be displayed. That would be cool. So there's an extension in Chrome for that. So you'll have to go to Chrome extension store. Here it is. In case if you don't know the URL, you can type chrome.google.com/webstore/category/extension, or you can also type Chrome extensions and hit enter. The first site that you will see on your screen would be the Chrome Web Store. And the next thing to do is go to the search bar. Let me just do it for you. And go to the search bar and type grepper. Grepper Chrome extension is the extension that I was talking about just right now. It does everything for you, from finding the results to letting you upload or post your own results. So this is the first one up here, and it's from codegrepper.com. Now click on this. You might have seen some ads of Grepper, but have not been noticing it. But I've been using it since a while. Maybe it's been 6-7 months or so. And if you click on Add to Chrome, it'll say that it's checking some things and read and change all your device data on websites. It can do it, but you don't have to worry about it. So you can just click on Add Extension. Now at the down, you will see that something has started downloading. Don't get worried about it. It's just the extension. Now it's checking. Let it take, and we will pop to the Grepper web extensions page, and it says that welcome to Grepper. Learn how to use it. I want to skip the tutorial because I know how to use it, and here you can see that I have my account logged in because I just deleted it for the purpose of this video on purpose. So I used to use it. Now I'm just reinstalling it to show it to you. Now next thing, in case if you don't want any problems and errors, you can just restart your browser, just close it and reopen it. That's it. Now the thing that we typed previously was how to write an HTML template in Django. Click on this, let it load, let it load. It's the first time. You see nothing, right? Did you see anything? No. Let's say that you know the answer. Click on add grepper answer and type. This is a tutorial on how to write an HTML template in Django. So what you can type is, you can just go to a website, say Django HTML templates. You see this? You would not get it without the extension. It's the power of extension. Now you can just copy this from here. That is a benefit. You can also see the user who posted it. You can just do an upload. Let me do it for them. Now if I just copy and paste this and paste it to here, it'll just be displayed to everyone using grepper Chrome extension and searching this in the entire internet. So let's say template in Django, and you can type the same thing that you saw here. Create from here, just copy this, paste it. Now you can also do something like templates. You can go to the docs.djangoprojects.com. It's official Django website. Let this thing load, and here are some things. You can just copy them. You can see the grepper extension just option coming here, set to grepper answer. You can save it. Now I don't want to do it for now, so what I'll do is just scroll down, and this was here in this one. I think you recognized it, and you can also go down if you want some answers. Let's say we want to paste something in. Let's do this. We just go down, paste it in, and type save. It is saving. Let's wait. And next time when you search the thing, it'll show this answer made by you on the screen. That would be really good. Even other users using grepper Chrome extension in the entire world can see this. Let's say some of you know Java. Let me show it to you. Open up VS Code or Sublime. Most of you know Java. In case if you don't, you can see some tutorial videos, but this video's motive is not to show it to you. Next thing, what you'll do is, what if you type, what is the default structure of HTML? What is the default structure of an HTML? You will see all these answers. This is really the default structure of an HTML document. Doc type HTML, head, body, that's it. The same thing goes here. Now, here it is by me. This is uploaded by me, you can see. I can just upload myself. And what else you can do is, you know Java. I also know a bit. Now, what if you do like, you wanna see the default structure of Java? The programming languages like Python and JavaScript, they do not have the default structure as HTML and Java have, but some languages do have them. For example, C++, you have to do using namespace std semicolon, and you have to type has include IOStream for the input and output. IOStream, and what you can do next is int main. You'll have to create the main function inside of here. You can type string name is equals to name, and you can just see out that I think I forgot the science. Yep, I think this one is there, and you can type name. After that, you can just handle. So this can also be called as the default structure of C++. Let me type it in. C++. So I did not see any answers. So for that, I can just paste that in. Paste this, copy this, cut this, whatever you want to do, add a proper answer, paste this, and save it. That's it. Now, from the next time you'll do it, you will also see this answer. Next thing, you can, I was talking about Java. Let's say that you have written a public class main, public class, public, public class main, and inside of here you've written public static void main string and args. Inside of that, you have a variable that is to be displayed that will also be called as the default structure of this one. So instead of this, you could type Java. You will see an answer. It's uploaded by me as well. Package is your name, it's your domain, and public class main. Public static void main string and args. System.out.println. Hello world. So you saw how helpful this was. Now for real quick, I'm gonna compare this to as well. So let's open up a different browser. Let's say Microsoft Edge. Here it is, and let's open up Chrome the next time. So both the browsers are opening. Chrome is there on this side, and Edge would be on the next side. Let's wait, and it is loaded as well. Okay, I've not opened Edge since decade, and it's taking some time. Let's wait. I think Edge is loading. Still, who cares? Now, what you can do is you can type loop JavaScript. Let's say that you don't know how to do a loop in JavaScript. You can just type loop in JavaScript, hit enter, and with grepper installed this side and without grepper, you got some of those answers. You can also see some more answers. Here you go. Now, if you type the same in a browser without the grepper Chrome extension, what you'll see is loop in JavaScript. What is this? Look at this side and look at this side. This has already found you some answers, 11 answers with approved developers just uploading them, and this one just gives you some sites and you have to click on that, wait for the site to load, just accept some cookies and just scroll down, look at the definition, and finally get the code. And it depends upon your luck that the code is valid or invalid. So this one is really great. If you don't think that the first one would work, you could go to second one. If you don't think that one would work, you can go to the third one. And if you don't think anyone would work, you could just post your own answer. That would make you more productive. So that's it for the video. If you enjoyed it, you can just like the channel and subscribe the channel as well. Bye bye. And there's something more I want to tell you. So it's about why I've not been uploading videos since a long time. So recently I've started a new project. It's a new web project and I'm working hard on it, and as soon as this project will be completed, I'll be releasing it on my channel. So that would be a really great achievement for me, and I'm just busy on that project right now. So I'll be trying to upload videos without some delays, and even if there is a delay, that would be for good things. So bye bye.